Okay, let's have a look at installing the ZyberVR battery bracket onto the Elite strap. So I've not opened it yet, so let's have a look. So let's get that box out of the way. Alright, what we got? So we have, right, so we've got our main strap. What else we got? Oh, we've got a nice wiping cloth. So it's stuck to the end. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. So we've got a strap. Let's open up our battery. Just put that out of the way for a second. What we've got in the box. So we've got battery instructions. Put that box out of the way. Okay. See this, that's quite nice actually. Really padded. It's got a nice weight. So that'll probably be good for holding the weight down at the back of your head. Balancing, counterbalance. Right, so let's pop this all together. So we're not going to need this back part, so if we take that off, put that to one side. So we've got a left and right, so we're literally just click and click. So you see you've got a nice little rotation in there. So we've got a cable management wire. There we go, so that just pops in that bit. Right, so get headset. And let's pop it on. So one side. There we go, click. And then we get the other side lined up. It's clicked on. Let's just plug this in to get this cable out of the way. Oh, we've got a sticker we need to take off. There we go. A sticker on the other side too. Yeah, let's get that sticker off. Okay. So now, what we've got to do is put our top strap on. So it's always the cushion side down, shortest side to the back. That's pretty straightforward. One side on, and this part just always finicky. It's not actually that bad, this one actually. Let's just get that through there. And just grab the end of it. Just work that through. So then you'd pull that to the size of your head. Pop it on. Fully adjustable. For that, padding is unbelievable. And you can really feel the weight on the back of this, so you can really understand how this back pad has been given a bit of added weight to counterbalance. Plus, you're always going to be able to pull that front weight of the Quest forward anyway with this strap and take a bit of that pressure off. But yeah, so that's your installation, and this is what you could win, or one of your options you could win for the walkabout mini golf competition. So a bit of added extra power. So look, you've got your power button on the back here. So obviously it comes with like 50% battery. So one press on, two presses off. Power charging port just underneath, USB-C. There you go. So you've got some other stuff here. This load reducing head strap is really, really good, because this top adjustment strap at the top brings the pressure down, so it lifts the whole of the headset up. So that's another really, really good one. Obviously you got your charging dock there, which is spot on. I've never had a problem with it. It's the only charging dock I use personally. Does me good. But yeah, so that's your Zyber Elite strap, and you can purchase the battery separately if you already own the Elite strap. So it's just a case of hot swapping this rubber pad out and putting your battery one in. So you're going to get what, I haven't personally tested it, but I'm assuming you'd get about 3 hours maybe out of it. 2.5, 3 hours. So that's your Elite strap with your battery pack added on the back. There you go, and that's what it looks like. Enjoy. Cheers guys.